Hi everyone, today we are taking you on a tour of a Mark Floresta which is located in Pati near Patancheru, Hyderabad. Now let's take the tour of the 4 BHK villa. As we enter, here is the living hall and dining area with the balcony view. It's big and cozy, perfect for family gathering and friend enjoyment where you can have meal together. Then here you can see the garden area. Now moving on to the bedroom. Here you can see the first bedroom with attached washroom. Now moving on to the first floor. Here you can see the sit-out area with the balcony view. Here you can see the second bedroom with attached washroom. Next, here you can see the third bedroom with the balcony view, dressing area and attached washroom. Now moving on to the second floor. Here you can see the roof area. Here is the common washroom. And lastly, here is the fourth bedroom. So if you have any questions or would like to experience it in person, so you have to call our property experts at the number given below in the description.